there.
Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Ah, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Ah, yes! Balloons for Mammy's party.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Ozzy. I have some deliveries for you.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering milk, a bowl and spoons to the ice cream parlour.
I love ice cream.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. I'm Ava.
Ava and Neil are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Oh, I better finish.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh.
No?
Ah. Hello, Ava. I'm Joe.
Hi.
And who are you?
I'm Neil,
Hi, Neil.
the ice cream maker.
I love ice cream.
I have lots of ice cream.
Let's love sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. You sign. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Ava, look at all the ice cream. There's blue. There's yellow. Ava, what color do you like? Purple. How do you make ice cream?
I make it with milk.
Milk? I have a delivery for you. Wait, here.
Milk.
Will you help me make ice cream?
Yes! I'm really good at making ice cream.
We need eggs,
Eggs.
They're broken.
we need a bowl.
A bowl? My second delivery. Right here. Ooh. A bowl.
Apron, gloves,
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
milk,
Milk? Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
now eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh.
Let's love sign. Chocolate. Chocolate. You sign. Chocolate. Good. Chocolate.
I'm really good at making ice cream.
Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No,
No.
it has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh.
Tell me it's cold.
It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate,
Thank you.
Ava, you have chocolate.
Ice cream.
What color is chocolate? Brown.
we have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hands up.
Oh, I forgot a treat for Aisling. I'll stop on my way home. Hello, Kira.
Hello, Joe.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, what a mess.
Oh, Aisling will love this.
I don't think so.